Today this is the first look IQOO SG8. This is the first look on topical phones in the year 2023 August. Where this the first phone expensive boxing and this the IQOO the 8 to turn to the smartphone in the year 2023. Will you buy this? This is 30 temple in the years for be priced in the countdown. We be of a tropical equal the 8 will be the last years. Into the devices and this into sites. We buy you this like this is 20 years this is sort of for the expensive thing of it. This guy in the Fortnite and this Snapdragon Gen 1. This is the making of tropical and this game so expensive for this. For equal this presentations of this guy in the office making out instructional of this prices. This is the 40-inch LCD and 30 plus. This the for expensive. Had they reached 10 close, 20 little time. This is after this guy the prices they will be it really hits for expensive and this iPhone export it's the smooth this and this the camera this of a moon and this the night and this day the price the price and the 10.276 dollars zloty. This is the temperature. This is the August 2022 2 months later. After the two is signed is the primary the smartphones of tropical. They will buy this IQOO the 8 will the time of the tropical the impressive of IQOO G8 this release in August 2023 will be by of Poland this from story this thing the ball like this so for expensive new launch dating thing. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.